Welcome to This and That Homestead. Today we're going to can butter, simple, quick and easy way. Here are some of the items that you will need: butter, jars, lids, paper towels, and vinegar. So in this demonstration we're going to be using 2 pounds, which is 8 sticks of butter. Now I've had this butter for up to a year. That's as long as we've kept it. We go through butter quickly, so I know it stays good for at least up to 5 years. That will make 2 pint sizes. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so what are we doing today?
No, we're making butter!
We're gonna can butter.
Yeah. I don't like mama my butter.
Okay, so the next step is to open up all the butter and bring it to a boil. Okay, so this just came to a boil, and so now we're going to get the jars and put them in the microwave for 2 minutes to get them hot and ready. So while your butter is coming to a boil, make sure that you have your lids ready, your vinegar ready, and a paper towel on hand so you can wipe down the rims so you can get a good seal. Okay, so now once they are cooled down enough, you can give them a shake to make sure that they stay all mixed together about every 15 minutes. After I give them a shake the first time, I will put them in the refrigerator for 2 to 5 minutes and then check them and shake them again. I will repeat that process until they set up. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple way of canning butter. Thank you for watching our very first video. We figured if we didn't just go ahead and start recording, even though everything wasn't perfect, we never would. So if you liked the video, give us a like and subscribe and leave us a comment down below.